Hey there, future cybersecurity pros. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ever wanted to think like a hacker? To find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do? That's where Kali Linux comes in. It's like a master key for the digital world. Kali Linux is a special operating system. It's built for penetration testing, which is basically ethical hacking. Think of it as a toolbox. It's packed with tools designed to test and improve security. Why is Kali Linux so popular? It's free, open source, and incredibly powerful. Plus, it comes preloaded with tons of hacking tools. This saves you the hassle of finding and installing them yourself. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Downloading Kali Linux is easier than you might think. The first step is to visit the official Kali Linux website, where you'll find everything you need to get started. Just head over to the official Kali Linux website. Here, you can find the latest version of the software, along with a variety of other resources. You'll find detailed instructions and different versions to choose from. Whether you're looking for a 32-bit or 64-bit version, or even a specific build for ARM devices, it's all there. Make sure you pick the one that's right for your computer. Next comes the installation. The website provides checksums to verify your download, ensuring the integrity of the file. You can install Kali Linux directly onto your computer. This involves creating a bootable USB drive or DVD, which you can use to install the operating system. Or you can use a virtual machine. This method is particularly useful if you want to run Kali Linux alongside your existing operating system without making any permanent changes. A virtual machine is like having another computer inside your own. It allows you to run multiple operating systems simultaneously, providing a flexible and isolated environment. It's a safer way to experiment with Kali Linux, especially if you're a beginner. You can test out different tools and configurations without risking your main system. Once you've installed Kali Linux, you'll need to boot it up. This process is straightforward, but it might look a bit different from what you're used to. This might seem a little different from your usual operating system. The boot screen and initial setup might take a few moments, but it's all part of the process. But don't worry, it's all pretty straightforward. Once the system is up and running, you'll be greeted by the Kali Linux desktop environment. You'll be greeted by the Kali Linux desktop, ready for action. From here, you can start exploring the powerful tools and features that Kali Linux has to offer. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional or just curious, Kali Linux provides a robust platform for all your needs. The Kali Linux interface is clean and user-friendly. When you first boot up Kali Linux, you're greeted with a sleek and modern desktop environment that feels intuitive even for those who are new to Linux. The design is minimalistic, ensuring that users can focus on their tasks without unnecessary distractions. It uses the GNOME desktop environment, which is known for its simplicity. GNOME is one of the most popular desktop environments in the Linux world, and for good reason. It offers a clean and straightforward user experience, making it easy to navigate through various applications and settings. The interface is designed to be efficient, allowing users to access their tools and files quickly. You'll find a familiar taskbar, menus, and application icons. The taskbar at the top of the screen provides quick access to essential functions, such as system settings, network connections, and open applications. The application icons are neatly organized, making it easy to find and launch the tools you need. One of the coolest things about Kali Linux is its menu structure. The menu is thoughtfully organized, with categories that make it simple to locate specific types of tools. Whether you're looking for information gathering tools, vulnerability analysis, or exploitation tools, everything is just a few clicks away. All the hacking tools are organized by category. This categorization is incredibly helpful, especially for beginners who might not be familiar with all the tools available. Each category contains a range of tools tailored for specific tasks, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job. This makes it super easy to find what you need. Instead of wasting time searching through a cluttered interface, you can quickly locate the tool you need and get to work. The intuitive design of the menu system enhances productivity and efficiency. Whether you're interested in web application testing or wireless attacks, Kali has you covered. The extensive range of tools available in Kali Linux means that you can tackle a wide variety of tasks, from penetration testing to digital forensics. Each tool is designed to perform specific functions, providing you with the capabilities you need to carry out comprehensive security assessments. Don't be afraid to explore. Kali Linux is designed to be user-friendly, so take the time to click around and familiarize yourself with the interface. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll become with the various features and tools available. Click around, open different applications, and get comfortable with the layout. Experiment with different tools and see what they do. This hands-on approach will help you understand the capabilities of Kali Linux and how to use it effectively. The more familiar you are with the interface, the easier it will be to use the powerful tools at your disposal. With time and practice, you'll become proficient in navigating the Kali Linux environment, allowing you to leverage its full potential for your cybersecurity needs. Let's talk about Metasploit. This is the crown jewel of Kali Linux. It's a framework that lets you exploit vulnerabilities in systems and software. Think of Metasploit as a hacker's playground. It has a massive library of exploits, payloads, and tools. You can use these to simulate real-world attacks and see how systems hold up. Metasploit can be used for a wide range of tasks. You can use it to gain access to remote systems, escalate privileges, and even pivot to other machines on a network. It's a powerful tool, so always use it ethically. Section 5. Cracking the code. Aircrack-ng for Wi-Fi security. Ever wondered how secure your Wi-Fi network really is? Aircrack-ng is the tool you need to find out. It's a suite of programs designed for assessing Wi-Fi security. With Aircrack-ng, you can capture Wi-Fi packets, analyze network traffic, and even crack passwords. This might sound scary, but it's crucial for understanding vulnerabilities. Remember, only use Aircrack-ng on networks you have permission to test. Unauthorized access to Wi-Fi networks is illegal and unethical. Use your knowledge for good. Section 6. Burp Suite, a hacker's Swiss Army knife. Burp Suite is a web application security testing tool. It's like a Swiss Army knife for hackers with a tool for every occasion. Burp Suite lets you intercept, inspect, and modify web traffic. You can use it to find vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting or XSS and SQL injection. One of the coolest features of Burp Suite is its ability to automate tasks. This can save you a lot of time and effort when testing large web applications. Plus, it has a built-in web browser for easy testing. Section 7. Vulnerability scanning with OpenVAS. OpenVAS stands for Open Vulnerability Assessment System. It's a powerful tool that scans systems and networks for vulnerabilities. Think of OpenVAS as a security guard for your network. It checks for known weaknesses and provides detailed reports on what needs fixing. OpenVAS is essential for maintaining a strong security posture. By identifying vulnerabilities early on, you can prevent attackers from exploiting them. It's like patching a hole in your fence before someone can break in. Section 8. The Art of Deception Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET. Social engineering is all about manipulating people. The Social Engineering Toolkit is designed to test human vulnerabilities. With SET, you can create phishing emails, fake websites, and even malicious USB drives. These can be used to educate people about the dangers of social engineering. Always use SET ethically and responsibly. Never use it to harm or deceive others. Remember, the goal is to raise awareness and improve security, not to exploit people. Section 9. Hacking for Good, the Ethical Imperative. Congratulations! You've learned about some of the most powerful hacking tools in Kali Linux. These tools can open doors to a world of possibilities, allowing you to test systems, find vulnerabilities, and understand the intricacies of cybersecurity. But with this knowledge comes a significant responsibility. Now it's time to talk about the most important tool of all, your ethics. Ethics are the guiding principles that determine how you use your skills. They are the moral compass that ensures you use your abilities for the greater good, rather than for malicious purposes. Hacking can be used for good or evil. It's like a hammer. A hammer can be a tool for construction, helping to build homes and create structures that benefit society. But in the wrong hands, it can also be a weapon of destruction, causing harm and chaos. You can use it to build a house or to break one down. The choice is yours. Similarly, your hacking skills can be used to protect and secure systems, or to exploit and damage them. The ethical path is clear. Use your skills to build, protect, and improve. Always use your knowledge and skills responsibly. This means thinking about the consequences of your actions and considering how they will impact others. Responsible hacking involves a commitment to doing no harm and to using your abilities to make the world a better place. Hack only with permission, and never disclose vulnerabilities without authorization. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and unethical. It can lead to serious consequences, not just for you, but for the people and organizations you target. Always seek permission before testing systems and ensure you have the proper authorization. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Your skills give you the power to make a significant impact on the digital world. Use this power wisely and ethically. Be a guardian of the digital realm, protecting it from those who seek to cause harm. By using your skills ethically, you can make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, helping to prevent cyber attacks and protect sensitive information. Your work can help build a more secure and trustworthy digital environment. Go out there and be a force for good. Embrace the ethical imperative and use your skills to make a positive difference. The world needs ethical hackers now more than ever. Your journey is just beginning, and the impact you can have is limitless. Stay ethical, stay responsible, and be the change you want to see in the digital world.